What's going on, my good people? As you can see, I'm back with another quick review. First glance, out here loitering in Alamoana parking lot, 4th floor. Grab these from Shoe Palace, hit on the raffle, so you know you got to take your W's few and far. But if you haven't tuned in to Who Has the Heat, we're back at it. 8 versus 8, lady versus the men. Dope battle last week. We got another dope battle. We're probably gonna do a time change. It's gonna be 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure y'all go over there and sub up, as well as sub up to the whole team. 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, as well as all of my featured channels. Now I'm anxious to see about this. I want to see what all the fuss is about, because I do have the Maze joints, the Iowa dunks, where we try to transfer them into the Wu-Tang. So as you can see right here, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG grade school, size 6Y, suggested retail price 130 of them things. I think what tape came out like 136. So not bad at all. Obviously, this is not a PP, a personal pack, because no E-Money cannot wear a size 6. As you can see, you got your stamp and ramp up there, like the double stamp. You got your paper. I don't know, somebody, Lord, this look like it's kind of been disturbed. So I don't know what is going on with this, but hey, it is what it is. All right, so as you can see, you got your laces, which is all rolled up like fruit roll-ups right there. You got your Jordan with your Jumpman, all of that good stuff. I don't know, I don't know about a fresh pair, but like somebody was in the back, maybe playing around with the shoe or whatever it is, but bang. And there it is. Some people say this look like it, but I disagree, because I got both of them in hand, and this is definitely a little bit different. But it's it's so adorable, as Skip would say. It's a cute, adorable shoe. What would you go with? Would you go with the white laces? Would you go with the black laces? Or would you go with the gold laces? I think the gold laces would set them off pretty good, in my opinion. Now let's get into it real quick. You see, you got your typical your typical Jordan 1 outsole. Coming up on the toe box, you got your leather here. You can see you got a pretty nice cut right there. Not bad. You don't see any peaks or anything. Then you got the old stankle leather right there. You got your nylon tongue. And then you got your Nike Air. So I'll probably get these to my goddaughter. Let I get these joints. You come around on the side here, you can see you got some more stanker right here. You have your swoosh, and you can see you got your stitching right up there. Get up close and personal. You got your embossed Air Jordan. You got your white midsole as usual. Turn around on the butt. Nice leather here. Your sock liner, you got some nice leather stanker right there as well. Black sock liner, so you don't have to worry about your sock bunnies. Coming around on the medial side, white, pretty much the same thing as well. But the leather is very good on these joints, definitely are soft to touch. And you always get your Jordan 1s like this, they are never laced up. So if they laced up, somebody either tried them on, or somebody trying to pull a fast one. As you can see, the shoe tree, 6.5. On the insole, let's see what we got on here. The insole, just pretty much black with Nike Air. As you can see, these were pretty limited, as everything is nowadays. Production date 2/3/21 to 4/13/21, so roughly a little over 2 months to make these joints. Probably with some delays and that as well, but hey, that's what they say, so I'm gonna take their word for it. So I don't know, real quick, let me know what you think. I think it's a cute shoe, pretty clean. I probably would be glad to have it in the collection if I hit, but I didn't. So on the little meter, I would give this about a 4.75 out of 5. Yes, you heard it. I know that's high for me. Yes, but a 4.75 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know, did you cop? Would you cop? All of that good stuff. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.